So we have just descended from the bluff. We did not find the swamp or the bog, but we managed to stumble our way down to Cucumber Hollow Creek.
I don't know. I kind of think we found the remnants of being around the swamp.
Jennifer's having a deja vu moment, maybe?
No, oh no. I was saying we might not have found the swamp, but that little piney, big vining,
Was that pretty creepy?
that was kind of
Yeah.
creepy. That might have been in the vicinity of the swamp.
All right, so no falls at Hooper Falls. No water anyway. Which has kind of been the sad story. Look, there's no water here.
It's in California.
Yeah, it is in California. And they say it never rains in Southern California. Man, it pours. All right,
Well, they
we're moving on.
winter pack.
Oh, there's Erin
Milk.
hiding behind the tree. We'll get some video of her her scratches later. How about you, Jennifer? Any scratches?
No
No,
scratches.
no scratches.
Nada.
Okay, good.
I'm scratch free.